Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Jagmeet. I am Jagmeet Kaur. Today we are unboxing something way more powerful, the AI magic in Optimizely CMP. If you are in marketing or content, this is gonna change the way you look at campaigns, content creation, or collaboration. Let's jump right in. First, we have the idea generation. Say goodbye to creative blocks. CMP's AI looks at trends, past content, even audience behavior, and gives you topics, headlines, and the ideas in seconds. It's like having a strategist in your pocket. For example, I am on the Idea Lab, so I can provide the topic or the domain address. So, say I'm searching for AI driven personalization. So, it will list all the things that I may need to know for making the content strategy for this one. Say keyword opportunities for this one, explore related topics that others may have done, and share of voice and the company's links, the most commonly asked questions, all, what, and hows. Then the captions, there is nothing in the caption. So see what works on social media, how many shares have happened for this one. So we can just explore and make our content strategy based on that. Say we have searched based on the topic. Now let's search on based on the domain. Let's pick a domain from these. Say this one. So once we have chose this domain, you can see it has given us top organic keywords that are used and opportunity and URLs, traffic, ranking, everything. So we will get all the insights on the Idea Lab in CMP. This means your team spends less time brainstorming and more time building. You can kick off campaigns faster and with more confidence based on the data, not just the guesswork. Let's create a campaign using AI agents in Optimizely CMP. Go to Ask Opal and let's ask it to create a campaign on AI driven personalization. So it has given us a suggestion for AI driven personalization campaign. If I click on this, a campaign is created successfully. Let's open the campaign. If you can see, all the content has been created for this one, and we can create the activities and other things too. But let's create the task for it. Suggest. So we are asking the AI agent to suggest us tasks under this campaign. So as per the AI agents in the Optimizely CMP, so these are the tasks that it thinks of. So we can just click on these and the task will be created. Say I want to create all three. So as you can see, I went into the activities and I can see the two tasks or the blog post that it has created out of these. So if I click again on some other task, so that task will also be created under this. This lets your writers skip the blank page and jump straight into editing and refining. You reduce time to publish and free up creative energy for some more strategic work. Let's go into one of these blog series. And if you can see, the content has also been created under each. You can select the specific workflow that it is already having, or you can create your own workflow by by clicking on the name and then going into workflows. So you can create your own custom workflows and connect it here. So currently we have the brief ready for this one. So I just clicked on creating the content for the same. So Opal started working on it and creating the content. So it has given us a suggestion. Let's try to add this one. So if we go here, so it has added the content corresponding. Say I do not like the future trends.
paragraph here. So I can just select this one, and this will give me some formatting options. And then in the end, I have AI. So in the AI, I have refine option to refine it, fix the spellings, grammar, ways to elaborate it, shorten it, or I can change the tone from formal to informal or informal to formal. Apart from this, if I go down, so I have a meta title and meta description. If I don't like this or this doesn't fit in my requirements, so I can just go here and use the AI to refine it, fix the spelling, elaborate or shorten or change the tone in the meta title. And same goes for the description. I can use the AI agents to modify this one. Then we have a library. In the library, this is a embedded DAM inside the Optimizely CMP. So we can manage our assets here. We have can have collections. Then we have specific templates here. So if we go to the assets, so here we are having the add option where we can upload, create the folder, and also we have a generate image AI agent that can help us to generate any image that we want, and we can choose a aspect ratio for the image. I want optimizely CMP hero image, so preferred aspect ratio, say let's choose this one and create. This will take a couple of minutes to generate the image. So AI in Optimizely CMP has generated the images. So I can select any of the images from here or create the variations of it or can regenerate all the images again. So let's choose this one and add selected. So this will ask us to add the title and etc. And here if you can see we have a generate tags. This will tags will be generated automatically by the AI based on the image that we are having. It's not just the campaigns that we can create with AI in Optimizely CMP, but going here, if you can see other options like campaigns, tasks, events, milestone, work requests, all can be created by just the prompts in Opal.
Alright, that's a wrap on unboxing CMP's AI superpowers. This takes so much off your plate, from writing and image generation to automating workflows and even personalizing your content. If you are looking to save time, move faster, and still want to be on the brand, this is a game changer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.